Good morning, 8th grade. Today we're going to look at IXL Y.11. Give us a couple points. 2 comma 9, 0 comma 5. What is the equation slope-intercept form? First, slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. You call m, that is your slope, b is your y-intercept. So if I have a graph here, this is my x, this is my y. So where does it cross the y-intercept, the y line? So first of all, we have to find m. That is our slope. This is where you stack them and subtract them. I want to put on my paper 2 comma 9, 0 comma 5. It doesn't matter if you want to have this group on the top or the bottom. Now let's go ahead and subtract them. 9 minus 5 gives me 4. Remember, these are my y's. Y's go on top. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. It goes on the bottom. Now I have 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So 2 is my slope. So go to my computer. So y equals 2x. And I'm going to say b. Now on our example, b is the y-intercept. So is my y-intercept 0 comma 5 or 2 comma 9? Well, 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. 2 comma 9, I have to go over 2, up, minus 3, 1 up here. There's my line. Notice the 5, then we divide 0 is your y-intercept. The 5 is y-intercept. And I'm going to go ahead and pause it, clear up my board. All right, now with this one, I already cheated. I already put my slope here. Again, I will stack and subtract them. I'm going to use 4 comma 8 on the top, 2 comma 0 on the bottom. So I subtract them. 8 minus 0, 8 goes on the top. 4 minus 2 goes on the bottom. That is 2. Notice again, subtract those go on the top. Subtract these, they go on the bottom. And 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. That's why on my computer screen I have 4. So you're going to say, well, how do I get the b? Because it is not 0 comma 2, right? So we have to use our equation. So we can usually use the first point, 2 comma 0, or the second point. I'm going to use the first coordinate, 2 comma 0. The y is 0 equals 4 times. Now notice my x, well, what's my x that corresponds to that? 2 plus b. Now I need to solve that. So I have 0 equals 8 plus b. Again, I'm solving it for b. So I need to subtract 8. To get my answer of negative 8 equals b. All right, next type problem. Again, it gives us 2 points, so we need to stack them and subtract them. 2 comma 8 and 1 comma 1. 8 minus 1 gives me 7. It's going to go on the top. 2 minus 1 gives me 1. It's going to go on the bottom. So my slope is 7. Again, last point, we have to use our equation. We'll use the second group. It doesn't matter if we use the first group or the second group. So again, my equation, y equals mx plus b. So again, on this group, I would plug in, there's my 1, there's my 1. If I want to use the first group, y, which is 1, 8, so let's equal to 8 equals 7 times 2 plus b. We could use the first equation or the second, will not matter. I'm going to use the first equation because they're both ones. So 1 equals 7 times 1 plus b. So we have 1 equals 7 plus b. Yeah, we're solving for b. So we subtract 7, and we get negative 6 equals b. Now, before I hit enter, let's use the same equation, but let's just try it with the first coordinates, see if we get the same answer. Again, y is 8, so it'll be 8 equals m, which is my slope, which is 7, times x, which is 2, plus b. So then 8 equals 14 plus b. Subtract 14, and lo and behold, 8 minus 14 is negative 6 equals b. Again, you can see I can use either point to plug it in. All right, do another example. Let's see, I can't even see what my score is. Let me scroll down. Oh, I'm at 28 points. All right, 1 comma 8, I'll put on top. 0 comma 4, I will put on bottom. Yeah, when you just stack them and subtract them, 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 0 goes to the bottom. Gives me my slope of 4. Again, now we'll use 0 comma 4 to plug in our equation. So y equals mx plus b. So again, there's my y. So 4 equals my slope, which is 4, times my x, which is 0, plus b. Well, 4 times 0 is 0. So 4 equals 0 plus b. So 4 would equal b, or b would equal 4. Now, notice right here we have 0 comma 4. Well, if I had to graph that, again, there's going to be a y-intercept. So when you have a point where it's 0 comma the other number, when x is 0, that's going to be your y-intercept. So you can remember that little shortcut. You might have to do all the steps. All right, let me go ahead and jump up a level. It takes up to 49. Same type problem, except we're just going to give me a couple negatives. That's all right, not a big deal. Step number 1, I have on my paper, y equals mx plus b. Well, we already know that negative 4 right here, that is going to be my b, because if you recall, if you pay attention, when it says 0, the number that's the y, that is going to be the b, that is your y-intercept. Again, that trick only works when you have x is 0. So now we need to stack them and subtract them. 10 comma negative 3, 0 comma negative 4. So I have to do negative 3 minus negative 4 over 10 minus 0. Notice, negative 3 minus negative 4. Negative 3 minus negative 4. Recall, two negatives make a positive. And we know negative 3 plus 4 is 1. Same as 4 minus 3, which is 1. And 10 minus 0 is 10. So 110 is our slope. All right, let me go ahead and jump up another level. Same problem. Slope intercept form. I'm going to jump up another level. Same type thing. Yeah, let's jump up to the challenge zone. Challenge zone, same type thing. So that is today's video. Again, if you watch all the video, you do not need to send me a screenshot, but please send me an email. And this time you will receive 3 extra credit points. I know it's not 10, I know it's not 15, but extra credit points do help. I appreciate you watching the video. So again, just send me an email and just let me know you watched all the video, and I will give you 3 extra credit points. Have a wonderful day.